I have my little mausoleum chapel thing done here. It is very quirky. I want to attach some climbing vines to this, and for that I'm going to go back to my dollar store floral moss. And this comes apart into pieces like that, which you can glue and place and string together into vines. So that's what I'm going to do, and put some climbing vines all over this little thing here. I just have a little PVA glue over here. I take a strand of this floral moss and just brush on a little bit. It doesn't take much of this to glue it down. Just kind of give it some couple spots of glue along the little vine, as it were. And then I tack it down where the other one ended. And in this way I can connect these vines, or connect these pieces rather, and make one long climbing vine. Like that, and I'll have these climbing all up around the roof and come back. All right, there I have all of my little climbing vines put in there, and I've flocked it around the base. Tomorrow, I'm going to add some spider webs to this thing, and then I think I'll call it done. Oh yeah, and skulls.